Understanding, ramp down, navigating the nuances in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the phrase, ramp down. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases is key to improving your English fluency. So, let's dive in and break down what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The term, ramp down, comes from a literal visual. Imagine a ramp, a slope or inclined surface. When something moves down a ramp, it's going in a descending direction. This motion is often controlled, gradual, and deliberate. The word, down, here signifies a reduction or decrease in the action being discussed. In everyday language, ramp down is a figurative expression. It means to decrease or reduce something systematically. It could refer to activities, operations, emotions, or anything that can be gradually diminished. When you ramp down an activity, you are scaling it back intentionally. To get a better understanding, let's look at a few examples. 1. Business context. The company decided to ramp down its marketing efforts after the holiday season. 2. Personal context. After the marathon, I'll need to ramp down my training to give my body some rest. 3. Technical context. With the project ending soon, we need to start ramping down the development work. Notice how ramp down is used to indicate a gradual reduction rather than an abrupt stop. A common mistake learners make is confusing ramp down with ramp up, which has the opposite meaning, to increase or escalate. Remember, ramp down equals decrease, ramp up equals increase. Another mistake is using ramp down for situations that come to an immediate halt. If something stops suddenly, it's not ramping down, it's stopping or ending. A good way to remember ramp down is to think about landing an airplane. It doesn't just drop from the sky, it descends gradually. Similarly, when you ramp down an activity, you reduce it step by step. And that's a wrap on ramp down. I hope this video has helped clear up the meaning and usage of this handy phrase. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to ramp down your fears of trying out new English phrases. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.